Hi, Anna here from My Digital. Here's a quick guide explaining how to set up and leverage the core functions of our pre-orders app. After installing, the app will first check your theme's compatibility. Simply click the Check Theme button and proceed to set up the pre-order button. In the theme editor, search for the Pre-order Manager app block. Then, drag and drop it to a desired position. Remember to turn on the app embed. Once you're happy with the placement, be sure to click Save. Back in the setup dashboard, you'll be able to preview if the pre-order button is working. Our app is compatible with a majority of Shopify themes. However, if you happen to need tailored support, our live chat is available 24/7. Once setup is complete, you'll now be on the products dashboard. Here's where you'll manage what products should be available for pre-order, as well as other useful features such as Notify Me, Stock Alerts, and Coming Soon widgets. All pre-order features and settings can be edited individually or in bulk. Plus, we've made sure to include all the features you'll ever need, such as estimated delivery dates, pre-order discounts, pre-order limits, availability by country, partial payment, and more. You can adjust every aspect of the Pre-order Manager under the Design tab. Monitoring and fulfilling pre-orders is done straight from the Shopify Orders dashboard. And finally, our app gives you all the insights you'll want to maximize pre-order sales via the Analytics dashboard. That's it. Check out our website for guides and case studies about how you can reach your full potential with pre-orders. Thanks for watching.